Hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share you how you can implement your vocabulary palette, enhance your vocabulary palette in a great way. You can improve your vocabulary very simple and effective way if you follow the simple method. At first, don't try to memorize too much word at once. You have to just one or two words, that's sufficient for you. Whenever you read a book, watch a video and listen something, whenever you come across new words, just try to write them down in your diary along with their meaning and one examples. Okay, and try to incorporate those words while speaking. And whenever you watch any videos, after completing whatever you are watching, try to make them down with synonyms, 4 synonyms. Try to make them down with example. For example, today you learn motivates. Then immediately you try to write them down along with their sentence. Like, my teacher motivates me to speak English with confidently. So this is how you are going to learn those words for a long period of time. And after that, try to use those words while talking to people, while talking with your friends, while talking with co-learner. Try to use those words. Whenever you get a chance, try to implement those words and try to create a situation according to that particular vocabulary words. So this is how I used to do in my beginning days. And just make a situation according to that words and try to use them wisely while talking with your friends, your co-learner. Try to use them. In this way, those words will inject in your mind for a long period of time. So this is how you can practice while watching and while listening. Another great way is to enhance your vocabulary. Try to watch conversational videos because it will really help you to enhance your vocabulary, your idioms, your phrases very easily. Because you can observe how people are using those words and how the words fit perfectly in their conversation. You can absorb each and everything because they speak very naturally while using those words, and it will really help you to enhance your English while watching conversational videos. Because when I started learning words, I didn't know how to use those words in a great way. I worried about that because I was unable to incorporate while speaking, while writing something. I was unable to incorporate. Then I started watching conversational videos. Simultaneously, I started using each and every day, and I realized I was learning something new while watching conversational videos, and I started picking some new words and I try to make my own sentences by using those words. Then I started using those words every day in my daily. In this way, I practiced a lot. If you want to enhance your fluency, if you want to enhance your vocabulary, so don't try to memorize words. In order to enhance your English, try to watch conversational videos. It will really help you to enhance your vocabulary and expanding your vocabulary. And while watching conversational videos, try to listen carefully and feel the words. Trust me guys, if you make a habit of watching videos, words and vocabulary will automatically become a part of your natural habit. So try to watch as many conversational videos as possible. So this is what I wanted to share with you, my friends. If you found this helpful, please like and do subscribe for more easy tips to learn English language in a great